What was the big rumor in your high school? Did it turn out to be true? There was an 18-year-old freshman who was pregnant, and there was a joke spread that this was her fourth kid. They said she was first pregnant at 12 years old and that was why she never finished ninth grade. I actually made friends with her because we both walked the mile in PE, and I felt bad that people were spreading this rumor and making fun of someone who obviously is trying to better themselves for their baby. Well, turns out, it was actually her fifth kid. She had one set of twins at the age of 13. Then at 14 she was trying to be a mother of two and finish ninth grade, but she got pregnant again and dropped out. I realize now that the entire situation was very concerning. I hope she got some guidance.